I'm trying to record um, a little bit of preview as on the Android phone and other Kindle devices. Um, the problem what I'm facing, the text is appearing fine as there is no problem, but wherever there is any diagrams, as you can see from out here, Kindle doesn't do any conversion. It really struggles. Um, so it has got to be, I think, quite a very basic text format. It has managed to do a cover part of it, um, but anything else than other than this, uh, it's not being able to do it. Now, obviously, the lettering it's dependent on device to device. If I click on Kindle Voyage, then obviously the format is coming all right, and this is a black and white. And these things are coming in, but in any and this is fine. The text is coming absolutely fine. There's no problem. But the problem is um, wherever there is a diagram, again these spots are going off. Um, Obviously, there won't be any formatting in Kindle because it's just a very basic text reader, and all it can handle just pure text and just maybe a bit of the diagrams. But if it's anything more than that, it cannot handle it. Now, this basic diagram has come in all right. Um, this is also fine. Um, yeah, but the comparison, the table itself between a TRS and a mid latitude chart. I mean, none of the Kindle devices are we able to see them in a tabular format? It is just a text only format. That's what it'll do. And here are the little diagrams, the parts of recurvature, and that this is all coming as characters. So obviously, in this particular format, it's no use. Um, the same thing is happening with all other versions. I mean, this is iPhone version. iPhone version, uh, meaning if a Kindle app is loaded on an iPhone, how will the iPhone show the particular display? Now again, there you see these are the table, these are diagrams. It's not able to convert any of the diagrams. Whereas text, yes, no problem. It's able to translate that into a text. So virtually everything um, needs to be compiled into a very simple form. And if I go to the end of the book, now end of the book, it's doing the bibliography, no problem. It's taking it out. Um, the questions are not a problem. It's picking it up. People can actually read and follow it. Obviously, in a small display, that's more than enough. But when I come to the appendixes 1 and 2, where diagram is involved, so you see all A, B, C, D, F, all the little circles and the arrows are just getting converted into characters because it just not been able to handle any diagrams. So same thing on an iPhone and an Android tablet. Android tablet is slightly better, but once again the diagrams are the problems. So it seems that it's unable to deal with any diagrams whatsoever, because these are only purely text readers. So I'm just wondering how best to present that information where it's only text. I mean, yeah, wherever you see text, that's absolutely fine. There's no problems with it whatsoever at all. Okay, it's able to take in some diagrams, but not everything. Um, Regarding text, yeah, the diagrams absolutely can't handle it at all. Okay, the same thing here. So okay, once again you have a diagram, but you can see all the fonts which are actually on the top. So not at all able to deal with it. Um, Whereas in the PDF format, it's all beautiful. It's all absolutely done. But once it comes to the Kindle version, it's losing all the plot. So I'm just wondering how best to present this particular information without this particular business of diagrams. I mean, um, that's what I'm really wondering. Okay, stop the recording. I think I've managed to capture the screenshots in different emulators, Android tablet, or even in a Fire HDX little device. If it's text, bang, no problem. But if it's um, anything else, it doesn't like it. I don't know why it doesn't. Because Kindle devices are only text editors. It can do some basic diagrams, but beyond that, it can't do it. Like text is coming beautiful, yeah. But anything else other than that, it is not doing anything else. Okay, right. Okay, stop it.